Hey there, Jason Lash, Epique Realty. Hey, we're in July. Market update here, monthly market update. Happy July. Boy, it's been hot. I love the hot weather, so I'm enjoying this weather. And I hope everybody's had a great summer. So let's talk about what's going on in real estate. It's been a crazy year. We are halfway through the year this year. Just look at some numbers. It is still an awesome seller's market right now for first-time home buyers. And that price point, if your house would go to somebody, a little bit more of a lower price point towards our first-time home buyer, is still a steaming hot market for those people. We're not seeing the bidding wars we were in before. We were not seeing 40, 50 offers, but it is not uncommon to get multiple offers on a first-time home buyer type house. So if you're thinking of selling and your house would attract a first-time home buyer, again, not quite what it was before, but it is still a steaming hot market. For the higher price points, however, we've definitely seen things leveled off. And it could be a lot of different reasons. People have been talking about the economy, interest rate, all the different reasons here, and they're all valid. But we have seen in some of the higher price points here, some of the luxury markets, we're not really seeing a decline. But we have definitely seen prices more level off here, and there's some opportunity for some buyers that are looking to move up to those price points. So just kind of keep that in mind. I'm not quite sure what the rest of half the year is going to. We do have a midterm election. Just generally speaking, elections usually isn't good for real estate. It does cause a little paralysis. So just, if you're thinking of selling, now would probably be a better time to put the house on the market now than the fall time here. Sorry, I got mosquitoes all over me. A lot of mosquitoes this year. Hey, there's one tip I want to give here that I like to do with my listings, and I'm telling you this works. I know there's a lot of real estate agents that like to follow our videos. If you're a real estate agent, I would encourage you to implement this tip. If you're thinking of selling, and if you're looking for real estate agents, look for an agent that does this one thing here, and that is partner with lenders when it comes to your listings. So we have referrals that we pass out to lenders, and an important thing that we have in our relationship here is we want to make sure our buyers are not just getting great deals on their houses, but also getting great deals on their mortgage. That's obviously super important. So because of the volume of business our team's able to do, we're able to leverage that volume, and we have agreements with our lenders that our clients get a discount on the mortgage. And at the end of the day, honestly, that's actually more important than it is the price of the home. It's going to be a different discount for everybody, depending on credit and certain things here. But we want to make sure that our buyers are actually getting a little bit of a discount on their mortgage. Now, what we do with this and how this helps our sellers is we actually take that discount and we put it on our listings. I'm actually standing in front of one of my listings right now in Kentwood. So that house, if anybody's interested in looking at that house or any of our listings here, we call it the Home Now Mortgage Program. Our houses actually have a lower interest rate than what you're going to get in the public. Now, if you're a buyer and you want to come to one of my listings and you come pre-approved with a local bank and a local credit union, by the way, I highly encourage you to avoid that. But if some people just like to work with the credit unions and banks, if you want to work with them, that's fine. I mean, you're welcome to purchase our properties or purchase any listing out there. But if you're looking for a little bit better interest rate, you're going to want to look at the local professionals in this market. And again, so if you're thinking of selling your house, look for a real estate agent that will partner with lenders that will offer discounted mortgages on their homes. And what that does is actually makes your house more cheaper without you dropping the price. And if you're a real estate agent and you got some houses out there struggling, go to your lenders. Ask them, say, hey, if I could bring you a buyer, would you give us a special rate on this house? And let's be honest, most loan officers get paid a commission. So, they might make a little less on these deals, but they're getting the extra deals, and it does help the relationship there. So again, if you're a real estate agent and if you have some listings that maybe you're a little struggling, go to your lenders, see if you can offer a lower interest rate on them. If you're thinking of selling your house, work with agents who have lenders that will offer a special interest rate just for your house here. I promise you it works. We call it the Home Now program. We get a lot of calls off our Home Now program. And that's all it is. Just go into our lender, say, hey, listen, it's one of our listings. Make sure this buyer is actually getting a special rate. And here's the thing. So this house right here, I don't even know what rates are at this point. Let's say interest rates are 6.375 for a 30-year fixed. And again, I didn't check what rates are today, so don't count that as a quote. But hey, the whole market's paying 6.375. My house is 6%. My house is cheaper. It's a better deal for the buyers. It's a better value for my sellers because their house, again, is cheaper than the neighbor's house without even dropping the interest rate, without even dropping the price of the home. So it's a great tip. It does work. and it works for you sellers, it works for real estate agents. Hey, if you're curious to see what your house is worth, go to our website at grhomes.net. You know, another thing we talked about in the past, I haven't talked about a little bit, the instant cash offers. We are still doing that. We've actually had a lot of success. I got a couple of potential instant cash offers this weekend that we're going to be looking at. If you want to know, interested in instant cash offer in your house, not deal with any showings, not deal with the headaches, you want to guarantee, hey, I want to know what my check's going to be. Again, go to our website, grhomes.net. It's right there on the top there in that search bar. Type your address in, and you'll see what an online home value is. If you need somebody from our team to walk through your house and get you a full market value, don't charge for that. Just let us know. Happy to do that anytime. Jason Lash with Epique Realty. Have a great 4th of July. Take care.